everyone, my name's Jose from Maguire's Ford of Hershey, PA. Do a little video here on this GT500 with over 760 horsepower. Check this baby out. Hand-built engine. Beautiful, beautiful car. Brembo brakes. Check out those rotors, how big they're. Got your Cobra sign there. It's got your Ricardo seats. Automatic headlights. Track mode. Sports mode. Drag strip mode. You name it. It's a beautiful car. Sunday driver. When you want to go to the track, you don't have to do nothing, just hit a switch. Listen to that exhaust. Beautiful car. You got the black and white Ricardo seats in there. Chassis number. Blind spot monitoring. Man, it's a beautiful car. This shield here, you actually can take it out so when you go to the track, you get more air into the engine, breathable. That's an awesome thing. Let's go inside the car so I can show you a little bit of features here. The Shelby GT500 is automatic. You got navigation, you got your oil pressure, your temp gauge, and there goes your track mode. Listen to that baby. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Here goes your modes. So if I hit this mode, you're switching over. Drag strip, slippery, normal, sport. Then you got your exhaust. You got your sport. Quiet mode. So it's definitely a fun toy. If you guys love the video, just hit like and share. My name's Jose at Maguire's Ford, and thank you for watching.